Good day everyone! In this video, we are going to be making a baking soda volcano. Here are the materials used in the experiment. Baking soda, dishwashing detergent, vinegar, food color, warm water, and a baking dish or pan. Here are the procedures of the experiment. First, fill the bottle most of the way full with warm water, and then add the food coloring. And then we add 5 ml of dishwashing detergent into the bottle. Then we add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Lastly, slowly pour vinegar into the bottle and see what happens. And that's how we make our baking soda volcano. This is the chemical formula for baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. And this is the chemical formula for vinegar, otherwise known as acetic acid. This is the balanced chemical equation of the reaction that occurs in the experiment. The reaction is a gas evolution reaction since one of the end products is a gas. When we mix the two chemicals, it bubbles up like a carbonated drink and explodes like a volcano, which is actually just expansion. It expands because of the carbon dioxide. It expands because of the gas evolution reaction.